The National Enterprise Corporation (NEC), a government parastatal under the Ministry of Defense, was established with the original aim of effectively utilizing the potential and available manpower resource base, especially in the military. National Enterprise Corporation boasts of a number of subsidiaries that include NEC Works, an engineering corporation that deals in civil works such as housing construction, renovation, and eradication of domestic pests and cleaning services. NEC Farm Katonga, located in Chisozi, 90 kilometers north of Kampala and covering an area of about 17 square miles. NEC Tractor Project, NEC Tractor Hire,
your one-stop center for agriculture mechanization. Soil is the source of life, essential component for living. A balanced natural harmony of earth with water, sun and seas. In a modern world, agricultural production is not limited only to natural sources. Technological developments are expanding the quantity and quality limits of agricultural products. NEC Tractor Project, your partner in agricultural modernization, is there to supply you with Pneumonic Precision Planter, which is a modern planting machine that may precisely plant all your seeds individually in the woods. Motor cultivators, also known as walking tractor, is a multi-purpose machine with various attachments. It can be used for hoeing, mowing, watering, spraying, and in addition with a trailer, they can be used for transportation. Pests and bacteria destroying your crops can be easily dealt with using garden and field sprayers. Milking a cow by hand can take you half an hour, but with our milking machine, only 5 minutes are enough. It is mobile and it operates on both electricity and diesel engine. When the dry spells arrive, everything dries up, hence less crop production due to lack of rain. But with our mobile sprinkler, a farmer just needs a water source and a tractor for his continuous crop production. One set irrigates 4 acres at a go. NEC Tractor Project are committed to supply agriculture machinery to complete the mechanization cycle. Feel free to place your order for any agricultural equipment appropriate for your requirement.
And Luwero Industries Limited in Nakasongola district.
The core activity of Luwero Industries is the production of small arms and ammunition. In other words, it's an ordnance factory, and it has been in existence since 1992. In Luwero Industries, apart from the production of ammunition, we are involved in a number of activities. We are involved in the sale of arms to private security organizations, those that have been licensed by the police. We have expanded our product portfolio as far as ordnance is concerned. We are involved in research and development because that is really the core of any industry.
In 2015, a new project under National Enterprise Corporation was born, the NEC Uzima Limited.
This NEC Uzima is going to be involved in the production of mineral water. And a factory has already been set up. It was built in Kachiri Barracks, Wakiso district. And the plant is fully operational. We have started production. And I'm very happy even to say that very soon, especially in this Easter week, everybody will be enjoying Uzima water, which is a product of NEC Uzima Limited.
This plant that has the capacity to produce between 4,000 and 5,000 bottles of pollution-free natural mineral water per hour is expected to generate some money for the institution.
But above all, water is one of the operational rations that we give in the UPDF. So we thought it would also be proper if we would contribute to the feeding of our own forces.
Welcome, sir. Program afande naomba tukaa alafu tupitie. Ladies and gentlemen. Sir, I wish to take this time to welcome you to First Depot Headquarters, Kachiri, and in particular to UPDF Nec Mineral Water Plant. Secondly, sir, I would like to thank you for finding time with your entourage to come and acquaint yourself with the progress so far made, because there's been a lot of talk that when are we starting without knowing the problems we are being facing. So with those opening remarks, sir, I would like to now go back on the brief to give you the current status as it is now. Sir, as you know, the project commenced in financial year 13-14. These are almost 2 years down the road.
amazigano agalongosezebwa amagye amazzi bagawadde erinnya lya kuzima kuzima kigambo kya Swahili kitegeeza obulamu oba okubeera obulungi. It is my pleasure to launch this water. Asante sana.
In the same year, 2015, the National Enterprise Corporation went a notch higher, signing a Memorandum of Understanding, establishing a joint venture with a Chinese company to produce commercial emulsion explosives. This venture gave birth to Choga Dynamics Factory, the first of its kind in the region. It was launched by Minister of State for Defense General J.J. Odongo during the groundbreaking ceremony at Luwero Industries in Nakasongola.
Within a period of maybe 8 months, we'll be producing explosives which will be used in mining, which will be used in the construction of infrastructure, of dams, of roads, of railway, and in that way we shall, in addition to making some money, be contributing to national development.
In a bid to promote the transport sector and safety of soldiers in times of war, the Uganda People's Defense Forces developed the Uganda Military Vehicle Center at Magamaga, which manufactures Nyoka armored trucks to execute military duties. It is important to note that UPDF resorted to the idea of locally manufacturing Nyoka vehicles as opposed to importing as a way of building capacity within the UPDF and transferring skills and technology for future use. Discipline is the bedrock around which the UPDF has grown and built into a modern fighting force. Ideological and political grounding is another aspect of training in UPDF, which has set it apart from the previous armies in Uganda, which never understood their purpose.